Phi Phi, James Bond, Russia, Coral, Kai, Phang Nag Bay, Simlan. So many choices. You don't know where to go. You don't know what to do. Watch this video. It's all about Captain's Choice. Hi there guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine with the wonderful Jay.
I'm not Jay today, Sean.
You are Captain Jay.
That's right, Captain Le Shark.
So Jay, this is actually one of my favourite tours. I say that a lot about all of our tours, but the best part about the Captain's Choice tour is that you don't need to know where you want to go, you don't need to know what you want to do until the day you arrive at the pier. And
wow.
I think a lot of people, they get so confused with all the different options.
Oh,
they
yes.
research. And quite honestly, and I apologise if this is you, they start piecing together tours that are from different tours.
Yes.
It's like, I'm going to swim at Maya Bay and canoe through the cave of Viking Cave, and then I'm going to go and see monkeys at the Pipidon viewpoint. And it's like, well, that's 5 different videos there, darling.
And also, people get very confused with the different names of things because there are double names. Like some people say, I want to go to Hong Island and go canoeing over by Krabi. It's like, no, that's the different that's Hong Island viewpoint. Oh, can we do the viewpoint and can we do the kayaking? Well, there's 2 Hong Islands.
Correct.
So it does get confusing.
So this tour is Captain's Choice, which means you don't make any decisions about the program until the day of the tour.
That's right.
One of the best parts of this tour is we can operate it all year round because the captain can make a decision based on the sea condition, the tide, and the weather, and he can design the program for you to go out any time of year and be safe, fun, and a great experience for you. So let's talk about how this tour starts. Firstly, you're going to get picked up from your hotel by one of our buses. You're going to get transferred here to the pier where you're going to meet your wonderful captain.
Hello, I'm Captain Jay. Do you know the thing is, I just filmed something. Carl, put the film that I did in. What? What are you doing?
We're cool captains now. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Am I like a hip-hop?
Yeah.
Hip-hop captain. What was that?
That's like my hip-hop.
I'm not sure we should do hip-hop. That might come across a bit... Yeah. Okay, I can be hippity-hop. Hi, I'm Hippity Hop Jay. Welcome to 5-Star Marine.
That's better.
Hello, welcome to 5-Star Marine with Captain Jay. We're going to go on a boat trip today. What would you like to do? What are the things that you really...
What about the really horrible coffee and tea and everything they get?
Oh, do you know that?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall I start again?
No, let's keep going.
Okay. Okay. Hello, before we talk about where you want to go and what you want to do, you can have some donuts, or some bananas, or some water, or some fresh juice. But listen here, don't have the coffee because it's disgusting. That's right, tea's so much better.
So,
Pinky.
Once you've checked in, you've had your refreshments, you've met your guide, you're going to come to the very famous map.
It's a map! I still think we need to put our face, I think I want my face here above Krabi, and you can have your face under Phang Nag. Can we do that? Can I get some faces cut out and stuck on?
Yeah, let's do that. Fine. We should do like, where is Jay today in the world?
Oh, that's a good one.
Jay's at home.
Oh, yes. Yeah, most of the time Jay's in his bed, hitting cupboards with his head. Look, I had an accident this morning. You probably can't see that. I head-butted a cupboard.
So anyway, once you're in the map, you're going to talk to your guide about what you're going to look to do
Guide
for the
or
day.
captain? See, this is where it gets a bit confusing.
It's the same thing.
Okay. Is it really?
Oh, the guide has worked with the captain to design the program.
Okay.
So what they're going to do is they're going to ask you something like, "Hey Jay."
No, I'm doing this bit.
Oh, you should ask me. You don't know the questions.
Shit. Oh, sorry. Hello, Captain Sean. I'm Jay. I'd like to go on a tour today. I've already had some donuts. We've done that bit, haven't we?
Yeah.
And the coffee was terrible, by the way.
Yeah.
You guys were right.
Oh, did you bring my red frogs?
More red frogs.
All the customers bring red frogs.
No, we need more Dr. Pepper because Sean's been giving out all the Dr. Pepper. So if you want Dr. Pepper when you go out on tour, we don't have any right now, so don't ask for it.
Anyway, so Jay,
Yes.
tell me, what do you want to experience today? What are you looking to see? Any must-see places that you want to go?
Well, Sean, I have to say one of my favourite things to do when I'm out on a boat is to go snorkeling. I love snorkeling, so if I could snorkel... And do you know what?
You want to snorkel off the boat or off the beach?
Oh, I don't mind, really. What
kind of stuff do you want to see?
Would you slow down and let me answer?
Okay.
Honestly, you're a bit pushy. You are, Captain, aren't you?
Oh,
my word.
On a boat.
All right, I'm going to go out boat in a minute. It's humid here, isn't it? Yes. I'm sweating a little bit. I want to go out snorkeling. I want to see lots of marine life. I especially love clownfish and I love sharks. They're the 2 things I really must see on this tour.
Great. What about lunch? You thinking about
lunch?
A restaurant?
No.
Nice and quick?
I don't know what, I'd like a beachside kind of quick, but just a standard Thai lunch. I don't want anything fancy dancy. I just want some, some traditional Thai food on the beach.
Cool.
Feet in the sand.
We're snorkeled, we had some lunch, we've done a bit of beach hopping, we're looking for a bar at the end of the day.
No, I don't like to drink, Sean, because I don't like to have a hangover the whole weekend like some people did. What I would love to do is go to a nice viewpoint and get a beautiful view before I then head back and a nice kind of driving back, watching the sun go down. That's what I'd love to do.
Okay, so traditionally this is how the conversation goes. We're going to go backwards and forwards about what you're looking for. We're going to customize the tour for you. Then after that, we're going to design it right here on the map.
On the map!
And we're going to show you today. You're going to go here, 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 and this is the captain's choice
Where am I
tour.
going?
Well, I won't design your
Why
tour.
not?
I don't want to give away.
You start on the questions.
Because I come here.
Come on.
So once we've done that, then you're going to get straight down onto the boat.
Okay.
On the boat, you're going to have masks, snorkels, helmets if you need them, flashlights if you need them, fresh fruit, soft drink, water. All this is on the boat, ready for you, and then you're off for the day.
Go into the boat.
You can go.
Okay.
Yeah. Just keep going.
What?
Yeah. Until you see Malaysia, just keep going.
You know my mic's still on, yeah? I can say anything now. I can say it quietly, you wouldn't know.
Even when you're actually out on this tour, the guide and captain can change route while you're out there. That's the flexibility of a captain's choice tour. Nothing is set. No set timing, no set stops. Everything is flexible. We do try and confine the tour to what we call a single destination, and Jay's going to explain to you what a single destination is.
I was just saying I was bored by myself.
Yeah.
Oh, my captain again now?
Yeah, single destination. What are we talking about?
Hello, I'm Captain Jay. If you'd like to go to a single...
No, please don't do that.
Yes, we can. If you want to go to
gosh, please don't.
If we want to go to a single destination, that means just one destination. So if I said, we want to go to Koh Kai Nok, then that would be the single destination we go to. Here we go. We stay there, we have some fun, then we come back.
No. So what we're talking about is destination isn't a destination area. So
Well, why
we're
do you
going to
say
say
that?
something like you could do PP as part of the captain's choice, which could then pass in through Kai. That's no problem. You could do Phang Nag Bay as part of the captain's choice. You could do Hong Karabi as part of the captain's choice. You could do Russia as part of the captain's choice.
Four
You could
areas.
do some parts of Hong with some parts of Panak with some parts of Kai.
Oh, God.
But what you cannot do
What?
is PP and James Bond on the
Oh,
same day.
why not?
PP and Hong Karabi on the same
Why
day.
not?
Because we have specific tours that do that. They use more fuel. Because they use more fuel, they're more expensive.
So a captain's choice
It's limited by fuel.
is... Oh, hello.
There we go.
What are we doing there?
Yeah, I was just trying to like.
Oh,
cap it.
Carl, can you put the hand, cut me again? That's a bit of a, I'm not sure that term's the right thing. As we pull down, Carl, see what we can do with that.
James Bond. Oh.
Should we do it more in the middle for him?
No. That's,
Okay.
what are you doing?
I'm hoping he's put something on here.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure what.
Anyway, so the captain's choice is like that, and as I said, a lot of the people who do book the captain's choice, we start talking about what you'd like to see the days and weeks before, but the final decision is on the day with your captain.
Because it does make a difference with the tide conditions and the sea conditions today. So, there you go. That is your Captain's Choice Tour. If you want to book it up, just comment below. If you've got any questions, put them... Muck that bit up, haven't I? Not very good there. Let's try that again. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing now. Do you know what? Just like and subscribe.